Hi, grade 9. Today we have a lesson called Determining the Y-intercept of a line. And I have 3 questions. I have one, as you can see, with a graph, and 2 others as algebraic equation. The strange thing that question number 1, it has incomplete drawing, as you can see. So we cannot find really where is the y-intercept, where is the intersection point of this line with the y-axis. So how can I solve something like that? The first thing that we have to think about it's the slope of this line first. So if I need m, to find the slope, I need at least 2 points on this graph. So I have to choose 2 great points. So I see this is one that is passing through really the corner of the box, and maybe this one it's a good one. So let's check the coordinate of each point. So this is 6, 2. And this point is 3, negative 5. With these 2 points, I can find the slope right away by saying rise over run. That means the difference of y over the difference of x. In this case, I'm going to say 2 minus negative 5 over 6 minus 3. You see here negative is going to be positive, so 2 plus 5 equals 7, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Positive, this is normal because the line is going up, so my work is correct. So this is the first thing, the slope. Now, I need the y-intercept. That means b, it's unknown. So if I'm going to say y equal 7 over 3x plus b, and b, it's unknown. How can I solve this problem? We got it from the previous lesson. We said, if I know a point that it's over this line, I can set it and plug it into the equation. So by saying set, let's say 0.62 into equation. So I can get something like that. The y is going to be 2 equal 7 over 3. X is 6 plus b. One equation with one unknown, it's possible to find b. Therefore, it's going to be 2 equal, I can simplify 6 with 3, so it's going to be 2 times 7 equal 14 plus b. That means b equal to negative 14. That means b equal negative 12. Therefore, I cannot see it. It's little bit down. I see here negative 6, 7, 8. Negative 8 is the last one, so we don't see the negative 12. Therefore, this is the way how I can find the y-intercept, by using the 1 point over the line and the slope, and I can find right away the y-intercept, which is b. So this is going to be the solution. Next, what about number 2? It's algebraic equation, but the strange thing here that it's not on the y and x equation that we are familiar with. We call it the form of a slope and y-intercept. So this equation, we need to work a little bit on it to transfer it to the slope and y-intercept form. So in this case, I'm going to isolate the 3y, and I'm going to ask the 2x to go to the other side, but 2x has a positive sign. So in this case, it's going to be negative 2x plus 12. Another step, the y, I have to isolate it, because we know that the equation, or the general equation of the linear equation, which is under the format of the y-intercept and the slope, it has to be y equal mx plus b. So y, it doesn't have any coefficient, so that's why I need to still isolate the y. How to isolate in this case? By dividing by 3. And if I'm doing that for the left side, I have to do it for the right side to keep the balance of the equation. So in this case, it's going to be y only, because the 3 will cancel the 3. I can simplify together, equal to negative 2 over 3x. And this is going to be my slope for this equation, plus 4. And here 4 is going to be my y-intercept, or B, you can say. So this is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3, the same thing. You see here, this is the standard form for the linear equation. This is standard form. But I need to switch it to the slope and y-intercept form. This is, we call it slope and y-intercept form. So my work is how to transfer this to this. Again, I need to have y in one side and isolate the y from everything. So here, from this equation, I have negative 5y, and I'm going to ask the 4x to go to the other side, the 40 to go to the other side, and don't forget to change the sign. So the 4x, it was positive. In this case, it's going to be negative 4x. The 40, it's positive. When we're going to change the side, going to be negative 40. But I still have a problem that I need to really isolate the y. So I need to divide by negative 5. And if I'm doing that the left side, I have to do it at the right side too of the equation to keep the balance of this equation. So I can continue with this way. I can say the negative 5, I can simplify it with negative 5. So I will get y equal, the negative cancel the negative. That means 4 over 5x. Negative 40 over negative 5, negative and negative, they are the same sign, so it's going to be positive 8. And here, the 8, it will be my y-intercept, or it's going to be my B in this case. I hope you understood how we can find the y-intercept from a graph that it's not clear for me where is the intersection point of the line with the y-axis, or if I have an equation or linear equation that it's on the standard form, how to transfer it to the slope and the y-intercept form, then I can find the y-intercept. Thank you for your attention.